when I got back from my fall drive, I ended up painting 2 more coats of Hampton Olive onto this entry table. So it was 3 coats in total. And I have to say, it turned out beautiful. I really love this color on this entry table. As for the top coat, none is needed because the Silk All-in-One mineral paint has a primer and a top coat already included in the formula. And some of the comments on the blog were asking, well, are you sure you didn't top coat it because it looks like there's a sheen to it? The silk paint, it's a matte finish. However, when the light hits it just right, it does have a satin sheen. It's very, very lovely. And I've painted numerous pieces in this silk paint, and they're very easy to clean and keep looking fresh and new once the paint has cured. They're very, very easy to keep clean. So that's always a bonus on my end as well.